Do you like to play games? Are you a fan of Harry Potter? Have you ever wanted to be a powerful wizard? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you should almost certainly join me for my lecture hall on Dungeons and Dragons. Dungeons and Dragons is the original tabletop pen and paper game. Are you a powerful dwarf cleric? How about a beautiful elf wizard? Maybe you're just a crazy human barbarian. Don't be scared. By the end of my lecture, you'll know exactly what all of those weird vocabulary words mean. Come on, I'm sure you have a great story to tell. Roll initiative.